hair smells like acrylic and anticipations. Compressor hums softly in the background. Brushes glide across skin with surgical focus. Okay, quick question. If I stand still for 6 hours, can someone turn me into a dragon? Or maybe a walking galaxy? Because at the American Living Art Festival, this is actually possible. So if you are curious how imaginations transform into living art, you are in the right place. Welcome to Craft Art. Today I am breaking down the American Living Art Festival, a vibrant gathering of artists who turn imagination into reality. Passion for freedom in the United States continues to inspire global audiences, and this festival stands as a bold statement of the artistic confidence. Notice the layering technique. First the base tone, then shadows, then highlights. Artists are not just painting skin, they are sculpting with color. What makes this festival special is not just creativity, it's the precision, the blending, the way color interact with natural skin texture. This is live art and there is no undo button. The brushes continue to move. You begin to notice something even more impressive: control. Every stroke is calculated. Every transition between colors is intentional. Artists here don't just apply paint, they build dimension. They create shadows where muscles curve and highlights where light naturally falls. Look at the blending around the shoulders and spine. It's designed to enhance the body's natural structure, not hide it. The skin becomes part of the compositions, not just the surface. In competition like this, it is not only about beauty, it's about concept, executions, and how well the artwork communicates emotions. After hours of intense work comes the moment of truth. Artists guide their models toward the jury panel. This is where technique meets evolutions. Judges observe symmetry, detailing, theme, consistency, and originality. This is the part I personally love because body painting is not complete until it moves. When the model walks, the artwork breathes. This is why it's called living art. transformations becomes performance. The models don't just stand, they embody the art. Each step on the runway adds movement to the painting. Muscles shift, expressions change, light hits differently. What was static becomes dynamic, what was paint becomes personal. Festival like this redefine what art can be. No canvas, no frame, just color, courage and creativity layered onto human form. Under natural light, the artwork transforms again. Some designs feel travel, some futuristic, some almost surreal. Let me know in the comments which design impressed you the most. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.